Speedography, Volume 2, Exercise 19, Speed 100 word per minute, start. In our concept, this obstruction is entirely different from obstructive policies. If we try to obstruct a budget which intends to protect 1% super rich of this country, then it is constructive for the common man of this country. It is constructive to protect the interest of the country. Para. I recall the speech of Shri Arun Jaitley on the budget speech of Dr. Manmohan Singh. But sir, recent years have witnessed an excessive reliance on indirect tax for additional resource mobilization. This escalates cost, fuel inflation and is regressive in its impact. Therefore, I have not relied on the indirect tax as a major source of resource mobilization. Sir Shri Jaitley had demanded that this should be implemented. But what is the trend of the budget presented by the Finance Minister in the Lok Sabha? The budget proposal will reduce direct tax by rupees 8,000 crores, which is benefiting the rich, but it will increase the burden on the people though indirect tax hike of rupees 23,000 crores. Para. Apart from direct tax benefits, some of my colleagues have already mentioned. Wealth tax has been abolished. Corporate tax has been targeted to reduce from 30 to 25%. Greater concession and access of FDI and FII are absolved of capital gains tax and minimum alternative tax. A progressive taxation implies that individual and corporate pay taxes according to their ability to pay. What is the composition of indirect and direct tax? The direct tax is different from indirect tax. In the case of petrol, around 50% of the total cost is indirect tax. I want through the entire speech, it mentions several types of impacts of indirect tax on economy. For every 100 rupees collected as tax revenue, approximately 30 rupees come from direct tax and the rest come from indirect taxes. The Finance Minister has mentioned the international experience. I would like to draw the attention of the Honorable Finance Minister to the composition of the international tax structure. You are talking about the corporate tax. I am mentioning about the component of direct tax in the total tax. This is his international experience. Why is the minister not trying to implement this? This is time to raise the indirect tax. Instead of that, the finance minister has tried to increase the indirect tax and decrease the direct